Hi, and welcome to Family Fixing. I'm Tom.
And I'm Ollie.
And today we're going to be installing a door closer. Ollie, you want to talk us through the inspiration for this project?
Yeah, so me and my brother keep the doors open a lot. So today we're going to fix that.
Sounds good to me. Now let's walk through the tools we're going to use.
You're using a drill.
I got a 3/32 drill bit in there, which is the right size for the screws that come with this kit.
We're using a screwdriver.
Yep, this is a number 3 Phillips head screwdriver. It's important to match the driver size to the size of the screws you're using.
We've got a pencil.
Yep, we got a pencil, and then we also got a scratch awl. Either will work. I prefer the scratch awl for this kind of thing. It does a good job of marking the holes, and it also helps center the drill bit when you go to drill them. And finally, we got some work gloves. They're important for safety, right, Ollie?
And fast-moving things and sharp stuff. We really recommend them.
Yep. And finally, we got our kit. This is the Gib Closer. It's available at Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace, or Amazon. Pretty much anywhere tools and hardware are sold. This is the door we're going to be working on.
And as usual, it's open.
Let's talk through the kit that comes with the door closer. We got the door closer itself. The only important thing when you're installing it is make sure that the arrow is pointing towards the door. We have the push bar that actually pushes against the door, the winder that you use to put tension in the spring.
We've got nails.
Screws for mounting it. A screw for mounting the slide that the push rod slides in. And then some plugs to plug up the holes that you don't end up using. Let's get this thing installed. All right, so we're gonna get this guy installed. First, we're gonna position it where we like. Holly, you wanna mark those top holes for me?
Sure.
All right, and the other side. Wonderful, thank you.
Now that we've got our holes marked, we're going to drill them.
So I'm gonna go ahead and screw the top screw in just to get things started.
And there we go.
The thing we're gonna do is install the rod that actually pushes the door closed. And to do that, we're gonna use this piece, which is called the winder. So we're gonna thread the winder in one of these holes. We're gonna pull it back to tension the spring, and then we're gonna thread the rod in the hole that is exposed. That way, when you release tension, it's putting pressure on the door to help close it.
What I'm going to do is mark the hole to install the screw. Next thing I'm going to do is install the plugs to the empty spots. I'm going to put the plug in the hole, one of the holes that I didn't use. I'm going to push it in. I'll let my dad do the rest.
Let's test it out. There you go. Closed door every time.